I will share the minor issues that are still remaining. So essentially, I repeated the tests I presented last meeting. I used the 3.03 snapshot. Contrary to Veronique, I had no issue with the Excel format, so I used XLSM files and it worked perfectly this time. So I compared version 2.24 and 3. I used
Sarah, we don't hear you anymore.
The mouse is also not moving, so probably she lost connection.
We have a lot of
Sarah, sorry, I think we had a glitch on the previous slide. So if you can go back and sorry, we couldn't hear you. So
yeah, I'm being warned that internet connection is unstable. Okay. So I'm trying here to talk on the mobile phone. Work did not work, sorry. Okay, let's try. So I tried the snapshot on from late September, compared with version 2.24, and used data on monthly trade in goods, which is just 37 series, but is the largest data set I usually use. We have a very specific details in the model we use. So we have adjusted RSA 5 to the national calendar in Portugal, which includes the temporary suspension of some holidays. We include working day calendar adjustments, seasonal outliers, and this was the largest miss, let's say, in the previous version, the benchmarking, because we use benchmarking to the original series as target. And in the previous tests, benchmarking was not available. We use the cruncher, so we are one of those interested users in that the cruncher continues to be present on the graphical interface. And right now we still use the current policy. So new observations are added to the model as always as outliers. So we used an old parameter file. Apparently this did not create any problem. So what I did was to use a 2.24 workspace, test it in version 3, and see if results and output hold it. So what were the differences? But I also tried building the same workspace from scratch, including creating the national calendar with the temporary suspension of some holidays. And I exported all results manually and with the cruncher and compared everything. So what issues remained? I saw no major difference between using a 2.24 workspace and a 3.0 workspace space in operational terms, so the options presented, etc. The only thing I'm still missing is the manual exports and the manual export of the benchmarking outputs, which is produced in the GUI but not exported. With the data cruncher, this benchmarking output is exported, is saved, but adds always a year of forecasts. When in the GUI, I chose not to include forecasts for benchmarking. I don't know if this is an option or if this is a glitch. The models between
I'm not talking about glitches. We've got another one. I hope, Sarah, you'll come back soon. Oh. Well, Sarah.
Sorry.
Oh, we lost your screen.
Sorry, can you hear me?
Yeah, now we can. And so we don't see your screen any longer.
Yeah, but you see the slide or not?
No. I mean, use the screen.
Okay.
Slides, yeah.
Sorry, I lost the connection. I don't know why I'm having these troubles today. While I try to reconnect, I'll just say what I was saying, that before I found a persistent difference between the seasonally adjusted series in the version 2 and version 3 results. Now I still find that difference, but not in the benchmarking results. So when I compare benchmarking results, they are identical. And I wanted to show this with a graph. Maybe I'll try now. Maybe I'll be able to. Trying to connect. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay, here I am. Recording in progress. Okay, sorry. So, results for benchmarking output here on the right are identical with the two versions. With the seasonally adjusted series, I still find a level difference in results between version 2.24 and version 3. This difference is due to the trend, accordingly to what I found. But the new version, the 3 version, is actually better, given that it's more annual averages are more in line with the original series. So maybe there was an issue in the previous version, which I never realized, because we internally use the benchmarking version, and that apparently has no problem. So this is it. Sorry about the technical issues. So essentially, I think except for 1 or 2 small details, major issues were solved, and results are very similar to those of the previous version. Thank you.